Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am making Mega Sableye. Mega Sableye was requested by Declan. Declan, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this one. I think it turned out really cool. I'm really happy with it. I feel like I need to share it in more places, so I think I'm gonna maybe post it online in a few places that I normally don't because it's just so cool. So I started with the gem because that's gonna cover half of his body anyway. And I kind of use this sheet as a bit of a template because I don't cut out every side of the gem with this pink, but I use it to cut out different shades. So I have this lighter shade, and then that middle shade, and I use some more of the background paper as well, that like darker pinkish red. So I tried to leave some space in between each panel so that you can kind of see the sides of the gem, right? Because some of the colors, I mean, they match and they're right next to each other, so I had to leave a little bit of a gap. This piece is kind of for the reflection, like right above where his hand is on it. It's a little bit lighter, and then it's a little darker where the hand is. I think this is one of the coolest ghost types I've done, although I'm really excited for everybody to see Spiritomb, because Spiritomb is really cool too. If you're new here and you'd like to request a Pokemon, please comment down below. If you've been here a long time and you'd like to request a Pokemon, please do so down below. I really appreciate it. It keeps me motivated. Right now I am focusing on more Halloween type of Pokemon, so ghost types, maybe some poison, some bug. Yeah, let me know what you'd like to see. So then I used this white colored pencil to kind of add a little bit of sheen to the gem. Though now that I look at it, I think I drew it the wrong way on the front facing bit, but that's okay. It's so light that I don't think it's super noticeable. Next I'm cutting out the head, and obviously there doesn't need to be as much detail on the left side because that's going to be behind the gem. I had thought about using some transparent paper to try to do something, because you can kind of see his eye in the gem, but I just couldn't figure out how to do it. So the gem is solid, you can't really see through it. There is a type of craft paper though called vellum that is see-through, and that's what I was thinking about using, but I just didn't quite have the right color. Yeah, anyway. So I have his face done, you can see I have this second ear ready, and now I'm working on his mouth. And again, only need the detail on the one side because the other will be behind the gem. I always felt like Sableye was like the Pokemon that the cool people would have. Like, growing up I just thought like you had to be really cool to have a Sableye. I never had a Sableye. Same goes for Spiritomb though, which I will be doing soon, or doing the video on soon. So just like the gem, I wanted to cut out some little extra sides to the hand, oh my gosh, I'm looking at my hand and I'm saying hand, for the eyeball. I was also thinking in that moment about how I did have to wash my hands because I was starting to get some like pencil lead and glue on things. Yeah. So I put the gem and the head together, and then I focused on the arm. I wanted the arm to be a little bit lighter because, like in the game art, it looks lighter. So yeah, I just had these two different shades of purple to work with. Not the best, but it did okay. And I outlined the fingers just so they would stand out a little better. And then I had to cut out the body. And I think I did pretty well on this in just one go. I didn't have to change too much, which was nice. Sometimes when I'm making these, you guys will see me continually like trim down the piece that I made, or I'll make a second or a third one because the first one wasn't good. Just added a little bit of outline to his jaw so that it would stand out, and some glue to glue his arm down. So for the background, I'm just using this very simple paper. It was from a Halloween pack. I felt like it was a little bit kind of creepy. It looks kind of stained, so I thought that would be cool. If I had like a cave paper, that would totally fit Sableye, but maybe then it would have been too dark. I don't know. And for the washi tape, I went with my spooky skeletons, of course. And I had this little, it's like a shiny star washi tape, so I used that, and I used some purple as well. And finally, just using some photo backing adhesives to glue Mega Sableye down. Declan, thank you so much for watching. Everyone else, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I don't know, it helps me out so much. I really enjoy making these, and I hope that you enjoy them too. Until next time, I will see you all again soon.